A tranquil evening in Los Angeles enveloped the city in bliss. However, a sinister secret lurked in the shadows of the Shadow Cross School, something no one could have even suspected. The streets were deserted, and the lamplight was filled with mysterious shadows. Even the moon seemed pale, as if hiding from something ominous. Inside the old school building, echoes of unearthly whispers seemed to resonate. The mathematics teacher, Mrs. Holland, was a mysterious figure. Her stern gaze and precise movements among the students created an atmosphere filled with unease. But who could have thought that behind this facade of a woman, something ominous lurked? One evening, after classes, a group of students decided to investigate the school. They were drawn by a strange feeling that something was amiss. Footsteps echoed through the corridors as if carrying echoes of past secret stories. Approaching Mrs. Holland's office, they heard whispers. Unknown voices seemed to dance in the air, enveloping them in a chilling atmosphere. The door creaked open, revealing a passage to the dark world of mathematical nightmares. Inside, on a dusty desk, stood an ancient board with incomprehensible symbols. Suspended in the air were notebooks filled with inhuman equations. In the corner of the room stood a bookshelf emitting a barely audible rustle. Upon entering the room, the students felt time losing its pace. Seconds turned into hours, and the clocks slowed their ticking. Suddenly, strange glowing figures began to flicker on the board, like ghosts of past lessons. At that moment, the door slammed shut, and the room filled with an unknown force. All windows closed, and the air became saturated with a foul odor. They heard Mrs. Holland's voice, but not as it was during classes. It was a voice carrying vibrations of recently awakened evil. "Welcome to the world I have created," said the teacher, her voice resonating in the minds of the students. "A world where each digit is a key to the gates of hell. You have become a part of my mathematical symphony." The room was filled with light, but not from a lamp. It was a light as if emanating from another dimension. The students realized they were locked in this dimension, becoming pawns in the teacher's game. Mrs. Holland raised her hand, and mathematical equations began to form around them, like living entities. Symbols floated in the air, creating a portal to an uncharted world. The students understood they had become living numbers in this boundless ocean of mathematical nightmare. Their screams were drowned in the sounds of a mathematical whirlwind that engulfed their consciousness. Mrs. Holland stood in the center of her dark creation, laughing with a mysterious laughter, erasing the boundaries between reality and abstraction. Thus ended this horrifying story, and now anyone who hears it will fear even the most ordinary mathematics lessons. In Los Angeles, under the moon that dimly sparkles in the sky, a secret lurks that will not leave indifferent those who dare to glimpse into the world of the mathematics teacher, a world where digits come to life and equations become gates to hell.